Sunny good morning to one and all. Last class, I taught you an action song, and that action song was related to summer. So, today we are going to see something more, and today we are going to talk about summer season. We are going to talk about summer season. But before that, I will tell you a short story of a girl named Soma. One sunny afternoon last summer, Soma went to a beach with her mummy and papa. She saw her friend Roma. She walked up to her and they both started making sand castles. Sand castles are houses made of sand, and they made these sand castles with the help of sand and sandpit. They carried the sandpit with them. Roma and Soma also played with their friends, passing the ball. And when they were playing passing the ball, her friend was complaining, "Oh, I am feeling so hot." Roma said, "You are feeling hot because you are wearing so heavy dress." Soma said, "Why are you wearing such a heavy dress in summers? You should wear a cotton frock, skirt, t-shirt or shorts." Yes. Roma said, "My mother says you should drink lots of water in summer." Yes, Soma said, "We should also eat fruits like muskmelon and watermelon." Roma said, "Yes, we should also drink cold drinks, juice, and we should also have lots of fruits which have water content in it." Then they said, "Let's beat the heat and go and have some ice cream and ice candies." Roma said, No, I don't want to have ice cream and ice candy because it's the season of mangoes. I will go and have a mango shake. Yes, mangoes are only coming in summer season. So they went and had ice cream and mango shake. So they had fun with their family and friends and returned home with memories. So we talked about summer season in this short story. We talked about summer season in this short story. So where they went? They went to a beach. And Roma and Soma were making sand castles. See, with the help of buckets and sand toys, what they are making? Sand castles. Yes, and they are saying you should also wear cotton frocks, skirts. Yes, they said we should wear all such things in summer season. Now I will be showing you things which we should wear in summer and food we should have in summer season. So now look here, what all things we can see in these pictures. So in summer season we should wear cotton frocks, shorts, skirts or light t-shirt. Okay, and then also to protect ourselves from the sunny sun, we should wear sunglasses, we should wear hat, and we should wear cap. Yes, you like to wear cap? Yes, you should wear cap, otherwise you will feel so hot.
Yes, ma'am.
And to feel cool, you should drink coconut water. You should also eat muskmelon. And also you should eat your favorite?
Watermelon.
Yes, you should eat watermelon so that you will feel cool. And then you should have some cold drinks, juice, ice candy. These are ice candy. You can have ice candies also. And you can have an ice cream cone or ice cream scoops. But you should not eat too much also. Okay. And then your favorite fruit of the season? Mango. You have to eat mangoes which we get mostly in summer season. And in this summer season you should take care of yourself because the heat can affect you. So drink lots and lots of water. So just now I have talked about summer season, and now I am going to side. Now I will be again singing the action song with you. So are you ready for the action song? Yes. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. Let's go to the beach, have fun with family. Take a lot of pictures and make some memories. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. Let's dive into the waves. It's better than a pool. And eat a lot of ice cream. That could be so cool. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. Go to summer camp. Get some drawings done. My favorite book, my favorite rhyme. Sing and dance and play. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. I would like to play the whole day. I have homework to do. I would love to go to Disneyland and play with Mickey too. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. It's summertime, it's summertime, it's summertime. So you have to sing this action song at your home. Okay, so that I will know you are also singing this rhyme at home and trying to learn this rhyme. So now I am going to tell you in short recap what all food you should have in summer season. So can you tell me in summer what all food you should eat?
Watermelon, muskmelon.
Yes, you should eat watermelon.
Yeah.
What else fruit you can eat in summer?
Muskmelon.
Mango, right. And
Muskmelon.
muskmelon. You should also eat
Muskmelon.
muskmelon.
And coconut water.
Yes, you should also eat you should also drink coconut water so that you will not feel that thirsty also. And you should wear light clothes so that you should not feel too much of hot. So with this video, I will be sharing a worksheet. So in that worksheet, you have been given an ice cream cone. So you have to take a cutout made by drawing yourself, and then you have to do fingerprinting on that. And in this fingerprinting, if you don't have colors at your home, you can make vegetable colors like from turmeric, that means haldi. You can make yellow color and dab on the cone. And for the scoop, you can take beetroot water and dab on the scoop. And second thing, you will be drawing a big sun and coloring. So children, today we have learned about summer season. What all foods we should have in summer season and what type of clothes we should wear in the summer season. So children, please click the subscribe button and like our videos. Thank you.